Hi guys, so want to see how do you activate your decoder? You've just bought a new decoder, congratulations, and you want the internet to be working properly. You want to access the server, you want to access the IPTV, but without activation, it cannot be done. So how do you go about it? First of all, you go to the button of your remote. Your remote here, you see the last space here. You see F1. When you press F1, you quickly press F1, then 0 into 4 places. You can see the patch has been disabled. I mean, it was able before. So you have to do the same process again to enable the patch. You press the same F1 00 into 4 places in a quick succession. F1 1 2 3 4. The patch has been enabled. You can see the patch has been enabled and it's not working. So that's how you enable your patch. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube page and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.